Hello and welcome to this little 60 seconds roundup where you see me a little bit out and about. I'm back up in Keswick this week. I've been here loads this summer. I just love it. It's nice and quiet, even when it's like, raining. But there we go. So, not going to be much writing this week. Lots of walking, which is good. Hoping to get out when it's possibly not as wet. But I suppose the big thing is a Kickstarter starts in 2 weeks' time, 15th of September. Now this, in case you haven't realised, is for Child of Fire, which is the sort of companion novella to Child of Light, which came out last year, and we'll sort of set a few things up before Dare the Dragon, which comes out later on next year. So details are over at aschambers.co.uk. There's loads of decent rewards. Please make sure you sign up and, click the little button that says I want notifications when it launches so you don't miss out. And I'm just going to spend the rest of the day in my Duck is Still a Good Duck t-shirt. I do like that one. See you later. Bye-bye.